This video will show you to use a Salesforce connection in a cloud application integration process and perform operations on Salesforce objects. This is the Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services login screen. Enter your credentials and click Login. And select Application Integration Service from the list of available services. For this demonstration, we have created a project named Tutorials and a folder named Salesforce Connection. We will use the Salesforce connection created in the earlier video. Before you view this video, it is strongly recommended that you see the video on Salesforce Connection that demonstrates to create a Salesforce connection. We'll first create a process. Click New. Select Processes, and click Create. A design palette appears, where you can design the process. The start and end steps are added by default. In the General tab, enter the name of the process as Add to Salesforce Accounts. In the Start tab, configure the process as a HTTP SOAP process. Allow anonymous access. And run on cloud server. In the Input Fields tab, add input fields. These inputs would be used as inputs to the Salesforce connection to create a new account. Enter the name as account name. And retain the type as text. Similarly, add billing state of type text. Add type of type text. Add phone of type phone. Next, in the Output Fields tab, add an output field. Enter name as status, and type text. This would be the output of the process and will contain the account ID of the newly created account. Add a create step between the start and end steps. In the General tab, enter a name for the step as Add to Account. In the Create tab, select Salesforce as the connection and Account as the object. In the Input Fields tab, Account Name appears by default. Set the value as field, account name. Next, add account type. And set the value as field type. Similarly, we have added the other input fields. Add an assignment step after the Add to Account step. And call it Assign to Output. In the Assignments tab, add a field named Status. Select Formula for value. Click the function icon. And in the Functions tab, create an output message using xQuery function for string concatenation. And the ID of the newly created Salesforce account. Click OK to close the expression editor window. Save and publish the process. Click Properties. In the Properties for Add to Salesforce Accounts window, click Process Properties tab. Click View Swagger File. Review the input and output values. Click Copy to copy the service URL and paste it in a new tab. Append the input values to the URL as shown here. The execution is successful and displays account ID. Go to Salesforce homepage. Click the Accounts tab. Select View All, and click Go. Click the reload icon to refresh the page. You will see a new account created, which is Test Account here. Click to open and view details. The account detail is displayed here. Review fields and update if required. This concludes the demonstration on creating a process that uses Salesforce connection to perform operations on the Salesforce objects.